Today, we're on a mission to boost your internet speed on Windows 11 and Windows 10. It's really easy, and I'm going to show you some tricks that can make a real difference. Let's get started. Step 1. Update your network drivers. Outdated network drivers can be a speed killer. Head over to Device Manager, find Network Adapters, right-click, and update your drivers. Keeping them current can optimize your connection speed. Step 2. Optimize Windows settings. Windows has some nifty settings to optimize your internet connection. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, and click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your active connection, go to Properties, and make sure Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6, and Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, are both checked. Step 3. Use Google DNS Servers. Changing your DNS servers can significantly improve your internet speed. Head to Network and Internet Settings, click on Change Adapter Options, right-click on your connection, go to Properties, and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Use Google's DNS servers by entering 8.8.8.8 as the preferred and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate. Step 4. Disable background apps and updates. Windows loves to sneak in updates and background tasks that can hog your bandwidth. Go to Settings, Privacy, and then Activity History. Disable. Let Windows collect my activities from this PC. Also, check Delivery Optimization settings to control how updates are downloaded. Step 5. Disable Auto Start programs. Those auto start programs can slow you down. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary programs that launch at startup. This can give your internet connection a head start. And there you have it, Speed Seekers. With these easy steps, you can turbocharge your internet connection on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Until next time, may your downloads be swift and your streams uninterrupted.